I'm going to show you how to make this cheesy stuffed chicken breast. Add herb, cream cheese, cheddar, parmesan, basil, salt and pepper in a bowl and mix through. With a chicken breast, make a cut on the side, don't cut all the way through. Add cheese mix and close with bamboo skewers, season well. Place chicken into a pan and cook for 2 minutes either side to add some colour. Place into an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. On a low heat, add butter, rosemary and garlic. Baste 30 seconds, then back to the oven for another 2 minutes. After the oven, the chicken will be perfectly cooked through, and now it's time to serve. Place the garlic and the rosemary on top and make sure you get that flavour-packed butter on there as well. Finish with some chopped parsley, and now it's time to enjoy. I know sometimes chicken breast can be a bit boring, but this recipe is definitely worth giving a go. If you're looking for more recipes, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next video.